Hello everybody and welcome to another Cedar review. In this review we'll be reviewing the ECTO-1 Ghostbusters car toy, which I know nothing about. So my dad here is going to help me review it. Come on.
Should I stop the song?
Yes, stop the song.
Hey everyone. So yeah, we found this at Target this morning and it's pretty awesome. I couldn't resist getting it. We've seen the figures before, but really didn't, feel like getting those. But, I never had this as a kid. And now I couldn't resist getting it as an adult. So let's see what this packaging looks like.
I think it's cool how on the car, it's actually got the, it's got like rust on it almost. There it is in the package. It looks like the top is like only like, it's like 3 pieces, so that should be easy to assemble. Here, let me show the packaging. The actual toy actually has got like all this like rust on the side. It's really cool. And then on the back, it shows some of the features, like how some seats swivel out. There's a little buggy that can deploy, which I know nothing about this, but I've never seen the show. But
So I guess I need to get him to watch the show at some point.
Well,
that's my bad.
look at this rust. Like, this is really nice.
But I mean, the way this vehicle looks is it's pretty spot on to the cartoon. Here's a little pack that goes on top. I think they did a really good job on this one.
Oh, and I think these are the seats that swivel out. Yep. These are the seats that swivel out. If you, these seats right here, you can, pull them out, and then they swivel around. Yeah, look at this.
That's awesome. So that's where they can sit as they hunt ghosts.
As they drive around town. Driving around town with a guy.
As I mentioned, we don't have any of the figures for this, but I think we'll put some Ninja Turtles in there. Here's the antennas. So we gotta put these antennas on. I don't think it matters where each one goes.
There's this top piece.
There's a little ladder, some pipes.
This is super cool. But yeah, the seats like go back in.
Here,
There's
let's see if we can figure this out.
It's a really nice
Goes
car.
on top.
They did a good job, like with I'm gonna say it again. They did a really good job with the rust. Why is there 4 sirens?
Because it is the ECTO-1.
Here is the RV thing, the RTV. It's like a deployable ghost trap, I think. Looks really nice. It's like really nice detail on it, and it's got red in the wheels. There's a little slit on the back, which I think is what attaches in the trunk. So let's
put the ladder on.
First, let's show the trunk. One thing to keep in mind is it's kind of hard to open some. And the trunk actually opens like this, and if you can see back here, there's a little slit, and I think that's where you put this guy. So let me try and put it on. Which way's the front? Let me try and show you it. I think that's the front. So, oh yeah, you can even before I put it in, you can see there's actually like rust in the back too.
Put this guy in too.
Oh yeah, let's put
Put everything, assemble it all together.
I wonder what this is. It's like some ghost trap pipes.
That's right, ghost trap pipes. That's the official term for them.
There's a little blaster on the front of the RTV. I still don't think it should be called an RTV, but.
So now Cedar hasn't seen
Yes,
many of the ghosts. I think he's seen it once or twice.
I've seen like parts when I'm like coming out here and you're watching.
So I don't think he's seen the full glory of this trap as it rolls out, gets opened, and sucks in their ghosts. Look at this guy. Pretty sweet.
A lot of the thing about the doors here is they come out, you go in. So pretty much like they come out and then you can move them. They always like have to like come out and then yep. But I still like these right here, just right here, how it's like the seats that swivel out. Pretty cool. Yeah, whoa, this door can come all the way over from like here, all the way go
All
back
right,
to here.
one piece left. Where does this go?
Now we got a hunt for, oh. That wasn't much of a hunt.
Over here?
I think it's like an exhaust pipe.
This way, or this way, or this way.
It's this little gray pipe.
Yeah, right here it goes.
Or as we like to call it, ghost trap things. Why do, like, these need like 2 giant antennas? If you need an antenna, why don't you just grab one?
Well, I mean, if you're gonna call the Ghostbusters, you gotta make sure you can reach them, right?
Right here, there's like a little turret almost, I think. Yeah, I think it's like a little turret that you can control from inside the car. There's
All right.
one headlight.
It's all assembled.
And we got the RV in. Still having trouble putting this in. But here, once I get it in, I'll show you. And got it in. So if you can see right here through the back, it just snaps into place right there. You can see through the entire car. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's about 6 or 7 seats. So you can fit a lot of people in this car.
Yeah, so, I mean, overall, this is probably the sweetest looking ECTO-1 that I've ever seen. And it's got all the nice detail of all the rust. It's got amazing detail at the top with all these parts and pieces.
The front doors and the back, like the Ghostbusters symbol, almost looks like it's been beaten up.
Obviously,
got like cracks in it.
All the doors do open. Here they are.
So you can stick your
can
people in
see
there.
inside.
So you can stick a rat at the wheel and make him drive the bus like crazy.
And these doors, I'm assuming, do these doors open too or no? I think no.
That one doesn't.
Just the front doors open.
And this one.
And the back door opens.
You know why?
And
Because there's not a seat on this side. On the left side, there's not a seat.
And the side door opens.
And the left side seat is actually right here. So you actually don't open that door.
So that's
Yeah.
pretty awesome.
I think that seat is pretty cool.
You can sit out there, put on your Ghostbusting backpack, and shoot some ghosts.
Or you can just put on sunglasses and relax while in the car.
Actually, if you check out the inside, look at all those.
They did a lot of detail on the inside too, which is kind of cool. Even though you really are gonna see that. But you can just sit on this chair out there and hold your hand out, and you might grab a ton of ice cream.
That might work.
That might work.
You know, what would be nice to have to go with this would be a nice Slimer.
Oh, that'd be cool.
There you go.
I still want the Ghostbusters Optimus Prime. That was cool.
That was
that limited
pretty
edition thing was really cool.
All right, that is the
Review
Ghostbusters Plasma Series ECTO-1 from Hasbro. There it is. You can find this at Target if you're lucky.
We left one there.
We did. There were 2.
And now there is some plastic driving the car. Beep. Thank you for watching this review. Remember to leave a like and subscribe. Bye.